குட் ஈவினிங். லைவ் இன் யோர் லிவிங் ரூம் சீரீஸில் இன்றைக்கி நம்ம கூட யார் வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ண போகிறா நீங்கள் கெஸ் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருங்க. பட் அதுக்கு முன்னாடி அவங்கள நம்ம இன்வைட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்னோட ஆடியோலாம் சரியாக இருக்கா அப்படின்றத நீங்கள் சொல்கிறதுக்கு கீழே தம்ஸ் அப் போடுங்க. ஓகே, குட் குட். அப்போது நம்ம எதுக்கு டிலே பண்ணிக்கிட்டு அவங்கள வர சொல்லிட வேண்டியதா?
ஸோ லைவ் இன் யுவர் லிவிங் ரூம் சீரீஸ்ல இப்போ நம்ம கூட ஆக்ட்ரஸ் நிக்கி தம்போலி வர போறாங்க. ஸோ நிறைய கேள்விகளோட நான் தயாரா இருக்கேன். எஸ், ஹாய் ஹாய் நிக்கி, how are you?
Thank you. How are you?
I'm very fine. Thank you for joining.
Thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you.
Pleasure is ours. So how are things going and where are you staying?
I'm in Mumbai actually.
Okay.
I'm here safe and
Okay.
things are going pretty much well only. We are blessed to have shelter and everything, so we are indoor. I'm staying at home only.
Okay. So what's the routine from getting up in the morning till you sleep? What's happening?
It is like every day it changes, it's not fixed because the lockdown has been since so many months, it's not only like 10-15 days, it's been since 1 and 2 months. So like it has been shifted. Like I wake up early, I make sure I wake up before 8 o'clock.
Oh, that's great.
So I wake up sometimes at 7:30, sometime at 7, and then I do my yoga. These days I'm also doing my meditation, because for many, very necessary.
Much needed. Mental peace is much needed, I guess.
I do yoga. Yeah, it's very needed right now. Yeah, actually. So I do it for like 35 to 45 minutes of meditation, then yoga for 1 hour, like stretching. And evening also I work out. I skip these days. So I cook many other like days are going yeah.
Okay. What's the one routine you picked up during this lockdown, which you've been trying for so many months or so many days and you couldn't make it, and this lockdown made you to?
So I every time I love to skip doing. So because of my busy schedule, I never used to get time to skip. So these days I'm doing 1,000 skippings every day.
1,000?
Yeah.
Pretty high.
I love to run. Every day I do 1,000 skipping.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Okay. So let's get back to your movie, Kanchana 3.
Yeah.
Oh, what is the one advice Lawrence Master gave you and you're still following that in your life, or be it a professional advice, whatever?
Never give up. Never. When I came to industry, I was very raw. I was very new, and I didn't have that confidence level. Like Lawrence Master and Vedika and Ovi are all professional actors around me, and I was the newcomer. So I used to hesitate. I used to feel low sometimes, but he was the only one who encouraged me so much. He was like, you should never give up because you have that capacity and, to do things and all. So one thing, he just saw a spark in me and he was like, you should never give up. You should build your confidence level. Yeah. So there are many other. This is the thing which I remember, like the best thing.
He's always a good motivator.
Of course, yeah. Every time on set, he is like, wow, no matter however low you feel, no matter however ill you are, but when you see him in front, he's like full of positive energy and, amazing person. Yeah.
Can you just share an incident that comes to your mind and during your shoot of Kanchana 3?
Okay, so we were there for at least 1 year. I was in Chennai for like 6, 7, 8 months, and
Okay.
we rehearsals, our dance rehearsal with Lawrence Master, and there's no specific one day which I would like to share, but the entire journey of Kanchana has been such a wonderful thing. It was like a family because we were so many actors, in it, and it really became like a family. Like, you imagine after having 1 year or 8 months in Chennai, you feel like home, right?
Yeah, of course.
And now Chennai is one of my favorite city. So people, fans, they gave me so much of love, and my like my friends Vedika, Ovia, and everyone gave me so much of love, and I feel so good to be, I felt so good to be with them, and yeah.
One funny incident that happened and you just laugh at it whenever you think of it.
Laugh. Okay. So there was few comedy scenes, and we used to do rehearsals before the shot. So
Okay.
every time me or any other person used to do, so Kovai Sarla ma'am, she was also there. So every time we used to do rehearsals, and that has to be, so funny. So we couldn't control our laughter, that, yeah.
How did you manage with the language?
Well, it was tough in the beginning, but
Okay.
my team, like my makeup, my hair, my assistants, they were all from Chennai, right? So they
Okay.
taught me in Tamil. So I got familiar with few words, and I understand. I speak a bit only.
Okay, don't worry, I'm not gonna make you talk now.
Okay.
Okay. So I
How is
have now
the atmosphere there? Like, how is the?
Chennai, the cases are increasing every day, but still we're hoping for the best.
Yeah,
Someday it has to get down. So we're just keeping fingers crossed.
same here, same
Everyone,
here. Like, very bad. But my only advice for my fans and my friends would be stay at home, stay indoor,
yeah,
because that only, make this stop. Otherwise, this is gonna be
very
worse.
true.
Unnecessary, you should avoid going out, because the time has changed now. You have to take precautions. You have to be
That will
safe.
save us as well as others.
Sorry?
That will save us as well as others.
Yeah, actually, yes.
Okay. So we have a segment now. So it's a rapid fire. You have to be pretty quick with your answers. Okay. Ready?
Yeah, ready.
Have you ever had real life ghost experience?
No,
Before we jump into the rapid fire, we just wanted to ask this.
no,
No. Any story
no.
that was haunting you for so long time?
Yes. Like
Okay.
every audience in this lockdown, I see ghost dreams and all. I don't know why.
Okay. Okay. Then I'm really scared, of course. So I'll just jump into the rapid fire part.
Yeah.
Okay. Recently watched Tamil movie.
Kanchana 3. Because every alternate day is on TV. So I have to watch it. Yeah.
Okay. Favorite actor and actress.
Actresses would be Nayanthara ma'am, and actor would be Surya.
Okay. Have you ever got angry while shooting
Yes.
on sets?
Yes.
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 Okay. The best rumor you've heard about yourself. That rumor, like you wish that could turn into a reality. That kind of rumor.
Oh, she's a very big superstar. So that
Oh.
that has to be turned in reality, yeah. So yeah.
Any silly rumors that will annoy you? So why?
Tilly's, yeah, she's dating some other guy. She's with that guy, some South actor. I was like, no, I've just entered, and I'm not seeing anyone.
Pure single.
I'm, yeah, currently single.
Okay, okay. Other than acting, which part of the filming or which department of the filming you would like to explore?
Filming.
Yeah.
Direction.
Direction. You'd
Yeah.
love to do it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Nice to know that. One weird experience you've had with your male fan.
With my
With experience from your male fan.
male fact. I didn't understand.
Male fan.
Male fan, weird factor. Weird factor. As of
Weird
now,
fan experience.
weird fan. No, nothing as of now because fan has all my fans from all over. They have been so nice to me, and actually they made me, because just one film I did, and they loved me so much. It was so warm. So there's no weird things. I love my fan. Till now, no weird things. So I'll always.
They also love you so much.
Yeah, I'm so blessed.
Okay. Have you ever played prank on someone? Have you ever been pranked by someone?
Pranked? Yeah, sometimes, a prank. Yeah, with Lawrence Master, we used to have fun on set. So every time he used to scare me. Kanchana was like all of ghost things. There were 3-4 ghosts, and he used to prank me with ghosts. That too late night around 12, 1 o'clock in the bungalow we used to shoot. So yeah.
Okay. Have you ever tried pranking others? Or only getting pranked?
No, I used to prank. I always, I do now also. I have a pet here. So I make her scare and all.
So mean.
Yeah.
Okay. What is your current goal?
Current goal. I have to
Yeah.
work on because I see myself somewhere, in next 5-6 years, I have to reach somewhere. That's my goal. So I have to work hard every morning, every night, and every day I have to be stick to my routine, focus on myself. Yeah. So.
Okay. Have you ever felt embarrassed while performing an intimate scene?
So, I have done 3 films, and I have not gone that intense in my roles, like being an emotional character or something. So not ever embarrassed, but yeah, embarrassed once when I was shooting a song, and I couldn't do that step. I was doing with Lawrence Master, and I couldn't do that step. So I was feeling, oh my God, why am I not doing that? So, but he was just again, relax, Nikki, you will do it, and I did it. So yeah.
Oh, okay. What is comfortable living according to you?
Comfortable living.
Yeah, I know this question is much deeper, but still we would like to hear from you.
See, comfortable living has also many meanings, but for me right now is to be yourself, protect yourself, and wherever you are, be there. Do not move, do not go out. Wherever you are comfortable, so don't create any mess, because right now the condition is very bad. So
Yeah.
I've answer for now this period, like be very comfortable wherever you are, and avoid doing many things like going out and just simply riding bike or riding whatever, just be very calm. Things gonna take place nicely, and it's gonna be perfect, cool. So relax.
Okay. When did you first receive your love letter? First love letter.
When I was in school.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah,
So what was written on it?
school days, simply they used to write I love you. So yeah, that
Only
was my-
that. Okay. What was the reply to that letter?
I must have said I love you too. What to say?
Okay, that's so sweet. Okay. What is your favorite holiday spot?
I have been to a lot of time. I have been so recently. No, not recently. I mean, 1 year back, I shot one song of my Telugu film. I was in Krabi. So that island is amazing. we almost spent 3 to 4 days in that island, and it was amazing experience. And Krabi is something I would love to go and chill after this, because again this crisis is so bad and our heads are like stuck. So Krabi, yeah,
Okay. What is family to you? Sorry?
everything to me. Actually, now I'm staying with my brother and my pet. My
Okay.
mom, dad is stuck somewhere else. So family
Okay.
is my first priority.
Okay.
I can also skip my work because of my family, because I've been grown with my family, so I have that etiquettes and love towards them. So it's now my time to protect them. Because I've
Wow.
my legs, and yeah, I love to care. I love to protect them.
How did you manage to uh, get okay from them to act?
So I wanted to be an athlete also.
You
Like
wanted to be a?
athlete, state level. I love playing sports.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Things didn't work, so somehow I landed up in the industry, and then
Okay.
Kanchana was my first debut. Before Kanchana, I didn't do anything. And when I
Okay.
signed, I called my mother. I was like, I signed Kanchana 3, and I'm the first girl to sign, First girl he chose for Kanchana. And she was like, really? I don't believe you. I'm like, yes, yes, mom, I'm in Chennai. I have signed the film. I'm in front of Lawrence Master. She couldn't believe. But then she saw in the paper, and she saw my articles and everything, and then they were like, okay. So they
She
are
was
pretty
okay
much
then.
fine.
She was very
They
chill.
see me. Yeah, they are chill because I don't waste my time. I work on myself. I do hard work, So they see my hard work. So they are like, if you are focused, if you are dedicated, then we are with you.
Okay. Nice, nice, nice. Tell us about your friends.
My friends. Well, from the industry, I don't have much friends because I have been in the South for few, like 1 year, and then again came back to Mumbai. So didn't actually get time to make friends, but whoever I've worked with, they are my friends.
Okay. Favorite spot here in Chennai, which you would love to visit whenever you're here?
ECR, that beach, that
Oh,
ECR
okay.
beach.
Yeah. Food, favorite food from here?
Yeah.
Dosa. You know how to make dosa?
I love Pongal. Pongal only you say, right?
Yeah, yeah,
It's a
Pongal.
bit.
That also you love.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So what is your future pro? We are done with the rapid fire.
Oh,
So what is your future plans and projects you signed? If you can reveal about it, please share to us.
yeah. Signed one more with Lawrence Master.
Okay.
Tamil movie, but I don't know when it's going to take place because of the crisis, which is what is happening right now. And I don't know. And we were also discussing many projects with my other directors, like. But because this lockdown came, I couldn't go to Chennai. It was difficult for me to travel to Hyderabad also. So there are
Okay.
many projects from South, which I need to do meetings after this lockdown. And
Nice.
I'm also doing my Bollywood debut opposite
Oh,
uh,
opposite?
Namashi Chakravarti. He's Mithun Das' son.
Okay, okay.
So I'm very
Nice,
much
nice.
yeah, very excited and looking forward. Yeah.
Super, super. And I just love the conversation. I'm done with all my questions. Your
Same here.
fans are waiting for you.
Hi.
So they are like, they have sent many questions. So we both shall pick few of them, and if you can try answering
Yeah.
that, they'll also be
Yeah.
very happy. ஓகே காய்ஸ் இது உங்களோட டைம். நிக்கி கிட்ட என்ன கேட்கணுமோ நீங்க அந்த கேள்வியை வந்து கீழே டைப் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ நாங்க வந்து
So somebody is saying we are waiting eagerly for your future projects. Yeah, even I'm waiting to again. Hopefully soon after the lockdown, I'll start my shooting.
one is asking, are you feeling bored
Hi.
during this quarantine?
No, not at all. I'm doing a lot of things. I'm cooking, I'm baking. So no boring. Nothing is boring here. I'm
Okay,
enjoying.
one of our anchors from Behind Hoods. Hope you know him. He's also called Nikki. He's Nikki of
Oh, I know
Behind
him. I
Hoods.
know him. I
Yeah.
have done
So
interview with
he
him in
wants.
Chennai. I remember.
Yeah. So his question is, next எப்போ வந்து his show is Kiss Me, Hug Me and Slap Me. So when are you gonna have that segment with him? That
Soon,
was his question.
soon, very soon.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have one more question. Who's your crush? You will have
Who's
to
my
answer this.
crush?
Yeah, you can't escape the question.
So these days I'm watching this show, The Vampire Diaries, and
Okay.
from that show, Ian Somerhalder is my current crush.
Okay.
He's a
So
Hollywood
many
star.
okay. So many are asking and telling you, complimenting you that you're so beautiful, and they wanted to know the secret.
Secret is like there are many secrets. There's no one secret, but yeah, you have to take care of yourself. You have to take care of yourself. Drink plenty of water, moisturize your face, wash it twice, and the inner beauty is also something. You have to be happy from within. So yeah, many other things. But
Okay, so I've picked one last question. Biggest fear of Nikki. What is that?
biggest fear, I don't want to see my parents going away from me, because I'm very much emotionally attached to them. So yeah.
Wow, super. Nice, nice answers. Something where some answers were so deep. So
Yeah,
I just
yeah.
love this conversation.
To me,
Thank you so much
thank you. Chalo.
for joining. Yeah.
Yeah,
See you
thank
soon.
you. See you.
Take care.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
ஸோ இந்த கான்வர்சேஷன் நான் நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணேன், நீங்களும் என்ஜாய் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்கன்ற நம்பிக்கையோட நான் இந்த இடத்துல கிளம்புறேன். பாய்.